Hey everyone, this is Rafi from Deephaven. The market's been wild lately, so today we're going to show you how to monitor and hedge your market beta risk in real time with Deephaven Core, Interactive Brokers, and a little Python code. We've got both Interactive Brokers and Deephaven up and running, so let's jump into the Deephaven UI and get rolling. First, we want to connect to Interactive Brokers to get a table of positions so we can see the portfolio we need to hedge. Now that we've got our positions, to calculate betas to the S&P 500, we'll need historical data for these stocks and SPY, the ETF we'll hedge with. So let's pull a year of market data for each stock from IB into a Deephaven table and calculate daily returns for each of the stocks. Then we'll join the SPY returns back onto the other stocks' returns, so we have a good data set to work with. Now we can actually calculate the betas. We'll pull the data into a pandas data frame, run a regression with scikit-learn, and stick the regression results back into a Deephaven table so that we can easily use them with real-time data. Next, we'll fetch the live prices from IB for each of the stocks. Then we'll join the stock betas and live prices back onto our positions so we can see the S&P 500 beta exposure of each position line. We can sum this up to find our total beta exposure and calculate how to hedge. Looks like we need to sell about $12,000 or 31 shares of SPY. Only thing left to do now is make the trade. Let's pull the hedge info out of Deephaven and fire an order off over the API. Looks like we got filled immediately, and Deephaven already shows the updated positions, showing that we're hedged. Finally, we can rearrange the tables to create a dashboard so we can easily monitor the positions, risk, and prices going forward.